Are you on a weight loss journey? Are you looking for that perfect healthy fruit juice that will help you to achieve your desired weight? Then I'm going to be introducing you to this super drink that will help you to detox your body, that will help you to poop out all the excess fat in your stomach, that will help you to achieve your desired weight. For this recipe, I used half of a medium-sized watermelon, a full medium-sized pineapple, a medium-sized ginger, a big lemon, as well as one big cucumber. To start, I wash my watermelon properly and then I cut it into bits to make it easier for my blender to blend. As you know, watermelon is a delicious fruit to enjoy in the summertime with many possible health benefits. Research has found that the nutrients in watermelon reduce blood pressure and improve circulation to support heart health. Watermelon also helps to reduce muscle soreness, manage weight, aid digestion, and protect your skin. So in this summertime, please take advantage of this wonderful fruit called watermelon. So next is the pineapple. So please make sure you wash your pineapples very well. Always wash your fruits and vegetables properly before you go ahead and take off the skin of this pineapple. And also be aware that the skin of this pineapple is also very important. You can boil it and make a tea out of it. So pineapple has numerous health benefits, such as they help to treat cold and cough, they help to strengthen the bones, they are good for teeth, they prevent cancer, help in digestion, good for our eyes, reduces symptoms of arthritis, and prevents hypertension. Blending these two wonderful fruits together, watermelon and pineapple, gives a burst of energy. These two power fruits are very rich in nutrients. And not only that, the two fruits, watermelon and pineapple, are also very delicious. So the combination of these two super fruits gives a burst of tasty, nutrient-filled juice. So if you're seeing my video for the very first time, you are very welcome. This is Sonia Space, and here I make a lot of educative, easy to do, simple videos that you can learn a lot from. So please subscribe to my channel, like this video, share this video with your friends, and to my subscribers, thank you so much for always choosing to watch my videos. Please like and share this video, and God bless you as you do. This drink contains both anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that will help you to achieve your desired weight, because this drink will help you to lose the desired amount of weight that you want to lose, because it will help to aid digestion and it will help you to poop out all the fat in your body. So you will not regret adding this drink to your daily routine. drink is not only nutritious, but it is also very delicious, tasty and refreshing. It is a go-to drink, after a very long day at work. So after blending, just strain it and your delicious drink is ready. So friends, this is the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and like this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye, have a nice day and God bless.